This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin right now by backing up saves to the cloud and confirming you have a compatible 2, 5 or 3, 5 HDD/SSD and Torx drivers. Power the Xbox off, unplug every cable, and wait 5 to 10 minutes so capacitors discharge. Once done, remove the top shell and pry open the case carefully. Make sure to keep screws organized. You want clear access to the metal HDD bracket. This is where you will start unscrewing and extracting the original drive. With the bracket out, you remove the screws holding the old drive and gently pull the SATA and power connector straight off. This prevents bent pins. Then you mount the new drive to the same bracket, using the original screw holes so alignment stays exact, and reapply any rubber pads. Once mounted, reconnect the SATA and power cables. Press until you feel a click or firm resistance. After reseating, visually confirm cable routing clears fans and chassis. This prevents heat or contact issues during operation. Reassemble the case, reconnect HDMI and power, and boot the Xbox. You should land in setup or detect the new storage. If the console needs system files, prepare a USB with Xbox recovery and install the OS. This is why you kept a backup. Once signed in, restore your saves. If the drive is not detected, power down, reseat connectors, then test the drive in a PC or use the official recovery tool. This narrows down whether the drive, cable, or firmware is the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.